In professional League of Legends, not all deaths are equal. Some deaths are traded and meaningless, others silently lose games. Coaches know this, but finding those moments in post match data is slow, manual, and mentally exhausting. This project solves that. After every match, coaches face thousands of events: kills, objectives, timings, team fights, state changes that never show up on the scoreboard. The hardest question is simple: which deaths actually mattered? Raw stats don't answer that. Gold graphs don't answer that. Even VOD review doesn't scale. MGI does. Mistake Gravity Index is an assistant coach tool designed to surface only the deaths that truly damage a team's chances of winning. It analyzes official grid event data and automatically filters out deaths that were traded, detects deaths that occurred under objective pressure, scores each mistake by strategic impact, not volume. The output isn't more data, it's fewer, sharper decisions. I'll run MGI on a real LCS match. MGI processes the full event log, every kill, every objective, every timestamp, and produces a clean analytical summary: total kills, untraded deaths, objective pressure rate, objective context rate. Already we can see something coaches care about immediately. Over 60% of deaths were untraded. Now look at the top mistakes table. Each row represents a single death, but with context. Who died? When it happened? What objective was on the map? Whether the team recovered anything afterward, and a composite MGI score that ranks how damaging it was. Deaths near Baron or towers score higher. Deaths without objective answers are penalized further. Late game deaths matter more than early skirmishes. This isn't just a death list, it's a prioritized coaching agenda. MGI doesn't guess alternate futures, it identifies the exact moments where the game state broke, giving coaches the timestamps and context to ask why and what if during review. For coaches, this replaces hours of VOD review. MGI answers questions like which deaths directly swung objectives, which players were repeatedly punished in high pressure moments, which mistakes demand review first, and which can be ignored. It turns raw telemetry into actionable insight. Technically, this is production grade, a unified grid API client with session pooling, deterministic scoring logic with explainable rules, snapshot tests to prevent silent regressions, a clean CLI with readable, judge friendly output, built in JetBrains PyCharm with Junie assisting refactors, testing, and compliance checks. Mistake Gravity Index doesn't just analyze games, it helps teams lose fewer of them. That's MGI.